Guys, welcome to the ScholarWaka website, where we are going to explore this scholarship in Russia. So if you are ever thinking of studying in Russia and you want a scholarship, this is a very good one to apply for. This is the 2026 Skoltech Graduate Scholarship, and in this video I'm going to walk you guys through how to apply for it. This scholarship is a master's and PhD opportunity for persons who are in the STEM field. So STEM is science, technology, engineering and mathematics, and you will be studying at the Skolkovo Institute of Science and Technology. They are fully focused on science, technology, innovation and entrepreneurship program. And if you go to our website, you're going to see more scholarships to apply for different scholarships in different countries and also different levels of study. So do come here and explore, and very importantly also explore our study guide page, where we provide information on how to support you to apply for different scholarships. So do come here and explore. Really, there's a lot of information for you to apply for. Okay, now this scholarship is open to all countries. So wherever countries you are coming from, you can apply for this scholarship to study in Russia for free, and it's for both masters and PhD program. It covers your full tuition fee, and they will also give you stipend. They have different deadlines for the different programs, so note that deadline for those applying for master's degree is fast approaching, so please do well to ensure that you submit on time. And those for PhD, they also have your deadline in April, which is you still have quite some time. Okay, now to apply for the scholarship, you must be a graduate in either science, technology, engineering and mathematics program. And a good thing is that all their programs are taught in English language, so there's no fear for you to worry about language as you are applying or studying at this particular university in Russia. So down here at the side there, you're going to see different scholarships that we have recently posted. Like I said, there are a lot of information here on our website. Until you check, you would not know that these scholarships they exist. So please do always check and explore. Surely going to see something to apply for. Now, to apply for the scholarship, if you're applying for any of the programs, whether master's or PhD, you must have been done with your bachelor's degree or master's degree. And those who are in their final year in school, like on a graduate's final year, they can also apply for this program. So you don't need to be a graduate to apply for this particular master's program. As a final year student, you can apply, which is also very good, also very good. And the Skoltech program covers areas in computer science and engineering, mathematics, physics, chemistry or chemical engineering, the bio-related programs, material science and engineering, aerospace engineering, mechanical engineering, petroleum geology, and all the geo-related programs. And they said applicants from humanity, business and social science must have a strong training in a related technical field. Guys, please do well to also share this with your family and friends. If you have friends who are currently in their final year, or currently in school looking to apply for scholarships to go abroad to study for free, just do share with them. Okay, do share with them. And here are the criteria or eligibility requirements to apply for the Skoltech graduate program. One, you must already have a bachelor's degree for MSc, or you are in your final year for your bachelor's degree program to pursue your the MSc program. And if you're applying for the PhD program, you must hold a relevant master's degree program. You must be a graduate from an accredited university. Demonstrate English proficiency. However, they also have an exception for those who did their previous previous studies in English language. You do not need to provide this, but anyone who is not from an English speaking country or did not previously study in English language, you will obviously need to demonstrate English proficiency. And you also need to complete your application and submit them together with the required document. And more scholarships to explore, so please do look at them and apply for as many as you can apply for. Now here is what you're gonna get if you win the scholarship. It covers your full tuition fee. They will give you monthly stipend. It also covers your medical insurance. Unfortunately, they won't cover your visa cost. They will cover your travel cost, but it's a very good one to apply for. And with this as well, you are able to participate in innovation and entrepreneurship program, which is also a fantastic opportunity. Okay, now here are the documents required for you to apply for this scholarship or this program. So one thing we do as ScholarWaka is that we also try to simplify the process for you by doing all the necessary research. So we have done the research, everything you need to know, we have done that for you. So what you need to do is for you to gather your document and be ready to apply for this program. So you need a diploma and transcript of your previous studies. So if you are currently a final year student and you want to apply for this master's scholarship, go get a copy of all the exams you have written till date and get the transcript of that from the department, and your HOD or department needs to stamp and sign that transcript. You can also get a letter of confirmation from your department to attest that you are still, a member of the school, which could also serve as your reference letter. So those are very important documents you need to have, and any of your previous academic documents you already have. But if you're already a graduate from undergraduate, you need to submit your degree certificate and transcript. And if you're applying for a PhD, of course, you need to include your master's degree certificate and transcript. You need a very good CV. Guys, honestly, there are times when people reach out to me for me to review their CV, and what I see, I would say if I were to be the scholarship committee, I'm not going to consider our application, because sometimes some people do not pay close attention to the details in their CV, which is really not a good impression you're giving to the scholarship committee. So please do have a very good CV, and for your personal statement, which is very, very important, you need to have a very good one as well. Recommendation letters, this one, people do not also pay attention to recommendation letter. They feel like once they get a letter from someone and it's signed and stamped, they don't care about what is the content of the recommendation letter. But this is also a very key important document that you need to have. So I'm happy to review any of your documents you have before you submit your application. Just reach out to me and I'll let you know how to provide that support for you. And if not, you can also join our scholarship mentorship class, where I also work with individuals who are looking for different scholarships. I'm going to support you guys, as you apply for different scholarships. Okay, so I just thought to mention that. And I mentioned earlier that you need English proficiency certificate, but if you are from an English speaking country, that will be wait for you. For those applying for either masters or for PhD, it will be good for you to also add any additional materials you have to support your application, whether your research papers, your publications, your different projects, anything good you had done in the past. Please provide them. They will surely support your applications. And those applying for a PhD, of course, a research proposal is compulsory if you are applying for a PhD. So please do ensure that you check the school website to see how they recommend you to write their research proposal, and follow their outline to, write your own and submit a very, very good one. And down here is the simple step on how you can apply. Like I said, we make it easy for you. Once you come to the ScholarWaka website, you just hit the ground and start running. So the first thing is for you to choose your preferred program. So they have their programs for master's program, which you can see the list here, and also for PhD as well. That's the link here. And once you have identified the program you want to apply for, you prepare all the required documents. You submit your online application form through the Skoltech portal, complete the required tests and assessment if shortlisted. If shortlisted and qualified, you're going to participate in the final selection stage interviews and your preparation to Jakpa to Russia, guys. Okay, so that's the simple person how you can apply for the scholarship. But let's have a look at the courses they have. So these are the programs they have for master's program. They have quite interesting programs here, lots of them in science, engineering and mathematics. So these are the programs they have in your for you to be able to apply for this particular scholarship. So do come here to check if you are going to find a program that aligns to what you're looking for. Okay, like I always say, before you begin any application, before you begin to write anything, do what to ensure that you have gone through the course page and read all the information about the program, because you cannot write a personal statement or a motivation letter without you digesting what the course is all about, because these are some of the things that you're going to have that will, you know, make your statements look very good. Okay, so do want to come here to review all of this carefully before you submit your application. Same as well for PhD, they have very few programs as well in PhD, but do come here to check what you're looking for before you submit your application. Like I said, ScholarWaka has already simplified the process for you, so it's quite very easy. So once you're ready to apply with this link will take us to the scholarship official website, which I have just simplified through the ScholarWaka website. So I'm not going to go over this again, but do come here, explore their website, ensure that you have read everything, read their frequently asked questions, just go through everything you see here before you submit your application. And once you are ready to apply, you can see the apply button here, or it's also on the ScholarWaka website. Here we said you can apply through their portal. So that's the link to their portal here, where you can begin to create your account and begin your application. Or you can also find the link here as well. Once you click on apply, it takes you here as well. As you can see, easy peasy. That's it. But before I go as well, I just want to show you guys, for those who are wondering how they can reach out to me, how they can contact me, one easy way for you to reach out to me is through our WhatsApp group. Join the ScholarWaka WhatsApp group, and once you get there, just look for the UK admin number. That's my number. Another easy way is for you to go to our contact us page. Once you go there, you're going to see a form that you're going to fill, and right inside the form you're going to see a question that asks the reasons for reaching out. I always advise that for this particular question, please do well to be detailed as much as you can, so that I and my team can reach out to you very, very quickly. And please guys, do well to also follow us across all our social media pages and support me by liking this video, by subscribing to my YouTube channel, and also sharing this as well with your family and friends.